Hi guys, today's video will be about Mode Network airdrop opportunity. And as you would have seen in my recent videos, I've been focusing more on free airdrop opportunities like Berache and Nibiru, because what I've seen is that recently a lot of projects have started which make the users grind a lot, spend a lot on transactions, bridging, interactions with the apps there. But in the end, they come up with some arbitrary criteria and don't give out any part of the airdrop to majority of the users. A recent example was Stark, where the distribution was very skewed, with the developers getting the majority, and many users, despite having spent so much grinding for the airdrop, did not get anything. And that's why I was staying away from airdrops which need you to spend any ETH or any funds. But I'm going to talk about why I'm making an exception for Mode. And the reason is when you go to the site, they recognize this point that airdrops should always be very fair, and they have clearly defined what would be the criteria for their airdrop. They look at what has been your past activity on your account, what bridgings you will do, how you will refer this to your friends and network, and how many apps you will interact with their ecosystem, and they would be launching some quest which you can take part in. And they also have their tokenomics details shared and how which part will be used in the airdrop. And this, they also have given clear timelines that the token launch is expected sometime in April. And another thing is that once you join the referral scheme, you will be able to see what's your point score, and they are completely transparent about the leaderboard, who are the leading people getting the maximum points. So there cannot be any ambiguity and or any issue later that you receive a high number of activity point but you do not get the related airdrop. So in this case, it will be completely transparent, and the amount of airdrop you receive will be completely linked to the points you get while interacting with the apps in the environment. And here you can also see that currently which are the applications who are part of the Mode network, and how you can what kind of transactions you can interact, what kind of apps they are, which are the decks for them, where you can add liquidity pool, where you can do some swaps, which is the lending platform here. They've already have a domain name app like we have for the applications like ENS for Ethereum and so on. And in case, like me, if you don't have a lot of funds around, then what I would recommend is not to use something which you're not comfortable in spending. Like in my case, I just bridged about $10 worth of Ethereum here, and I've interacted with three apps here, adding a few dollars everywhere. And I just have a few dollars remaining. So, and the transactions are quite cheap in this network. They just cost a few cents. So what I'm planning to do is that the point system gets refreshed every week. That every Wednesday, I think, if I remember, yeah, every Wednesday they'll keep updating the points. So I think they are keeping a weekly track of your activity, considering that it's going to be finalized by end of April. There's not too much time left. So my plan is to just do a few transactions once every week at least, so that I keep accruing some points. And what you need to keep in mind also is that right now, this airdrop is only available through the referral program. So to join this, you would need to join through a referral code. So I will include the referral code in the description of this video. So if you want, you can use it. Because you cannot use it directly. If you go to the site directly, you cannot join it without a referral code. And and at the moment, I'm not sure if there is a limit on how many people can use the referral code, but if there is any update related to that, I'll definitely make a follow-up video on that. And once you join it, the only thing that would be required is you'll have to give the referral code for joining the airdrop program. You will have to connect your wallet, and I've checked that I did not see any issue or security threat. But in any case, always be safe and use your burner wallets for airdrop opportunities. And after connecting your wallet, the last step would be to connect your Twitter so they can see that, what's your activity level there. And I think by that you will be set. So these three steps would be required and you will start getting points. And in case of anything you would like to understand more about this network, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.